I just thought maybe you could we could get up early. Maybe you could put on your Cobra Kai shirt and maybe your hoodie. And maybe we could just take a ride and maybe go see the cast of Cobra Kai. Are you upset? You don't want to see Sholo? And William? You don't want to see Johnny?
I do. I'm so thank you. Oh my god.
You want to see Robbie? And Sam?
You get to see them in person. It's a Cobra Kai convention.
I'm so excited.